In this video, we will see how to uninstall Cursor AI editor on a Mac machine. So first of all, we will quit the application if it is already running, and after quitting that, we will open Finder. And here we will click on this Go and go to this applications. Now here we will look for Cursor application. So this is the one. So we will right click and say move to bin. Now we will again click on this Go, and this time we will click on this Go to folder. And here we will type tilde, then forward slash, then library. Hit enter. Now in this library folder, we will go inside the application support folder, which is this one. And here we will look for the cursor folder. So this is the one. So again I will right click and say move to bin. Now in case you had also installed the nightly build of this cursor, then in this application support folder along with the cursor, you would have one more folder with the name cursor nightly. So in that case you will have to delete that as well. Now it's time to delete some more files which are related to cursor. So we will open the terminal. So command and space and type terminal. Let's maximize this. Now first of all here we will go to the user local bin directory. So for that we will type /usr then local/bin. Okay, so I forgot cd, so I'll say cd then this path, and here if I do ls, then you would see this cursor file. So to delete this we will type sudo rm and cursor and hit enter. Now we will provide the password of our Mac machine. Now the file is deleted successfully. Let's verify once. So if I do ls again, so the file is no longer present now. Now we will delete cursor folder which is present inside the home directory. So I'll go to the home first. So I'll say cd then tilde, and now here if I type ls space -a then pipe and grep cursor. So this is our folder which we need to delete. So for that we will type rm space -rf space then tilde / .cursor and hit enter. It is executed now. So if I run that command again, so this ls-a grep cursor, so we did not get any folder in the output, so which means the folder is deleted now. Now in case you have cursor-tutor folder similar to cursor in this home directory itself, then you need to delete that as well. Since for me it is not present, so I cannot show you that, but the command for that would be similar like rm-rf then tilde / then .cursor tutor. Okay, so let's move forward. Now there is one last place remaining where we will check for the cursor files, and that is the config folder. So we will type cd then tilde then / .config, and here if I do ls, so currently I don't have any cursor folder or file here, but in case you have any, then you need to delete that as well, and the command would be similar like rm space -rf then tilde then .config / cursor. So for now I'll skip this. So now the cursor editor is removed completely from our system. So do hit the like button if this video was useful to you, and if you are interested to learn more about latest technologies, then do subscribe the channel.